Hey folks, I normally don't do how-to type videos because usually on newer stuff I don't know how to, but this one I hope is gonna help somebody out down the road that has my same problem. I got a 2014 F150 with a 3.5 Ecoboost in it, and we started having problems. First, it was like a single cylinder, like I think it was cylinder number two that kept showing misfires. And what it was doing is at low to moderate RPM, 1000 RPM, 12, 1500 tops, at a low RPM, like a Boulevard cruise type speed, it would, if you give it any accelerator at all, any kind of throttle at all, it'd violently start bucking and misfiring something fierce till you'd give it a little more throttle and get it up over to the 1800, 2000 RPM range, and then it would flatten out and quit. So, like everybody else, I thought, well, it's time for new plugs. So I went ahead and put new plugs in the thing, and the problem persisted. That didn't fix it. Then the next step was I started, took a scanner, started checking. This is number two cylinder is misfiring quite a bit. So I thought, okay, coil pack, put a coil pack in it. After doing some testing, I still put a new coil pack in it. Problem persisted. And then it progressively started getting worse over the next probably 2 to 3 months. It got to the point where this thing it didn't even feel safe to drive. I didn't, it was just violently bucking at the 1000 to 1500 RPM range under a slight load. So I started researching, hit YouTube, and oh my God, swamped with videos with the same description, same problem, but the same three fixes on every single video I found. Plugs and or plug gap, coil packs, and drill a hole in your intercooler. So anyway, I did all the above, because I figure those people are much smarter than me. And this went on, and again during the months, it went from a single cylinder. Oh, I even went out and bought the Forescan uh, scanner program. Sort of started checking individual cylinders and stuff. Oh, now it's not only two, now it jumped to three, and then it jumped to six, and then now it's three, four, five, and it's just all over the board. And towards the end, all of them just radically misfiring something like, just like crazy. The truck was almost not drivable. But again, same thing, same three things on YouTube. Uh, so anyway, I don't know how I did it. I accidentally ran across this something about map sensors, the manifold absolute pressure sensors. So on just a guess, I thought, well, it won't hurt to try it. So see if I can get this turned around. Here we go. So these map sensors, there's one right here on the top of your air box. There's one down here on the air inlet side, right here, right as it goes into your manifold. And then there's one back here on the back. You can see it back there. And those are the three map sensors. So all I did with those three sensors is I took them out, took a little bit of mass airflow cleaner, the aerosol cleaner, cleaned them real good, dropped them back in, and the bucking and the surging and everything 100% quit right then and there. That's all it was. This whole time chasing all kinds of different remedies, endless hours on YouTube watching the same three videos, the same three remedies. And I'm not saying that doesn't do it. Don't get me wrong. I'm just saying after you've tried what much smarter people tell you to do, remember these three sensors. The one on the back of the intake right there, the one in the front of the intake right there, and the one over on the air box. Took me probably 5 to 8 minutes to pop the three of those things out, clean them, pop them back in, and I couldn't believe it. Months worth of chasing myself in circles, that remedied the problem right there, right on the spot. So worthwhile checking into, folks. Good luck.